very good day to Encik Hafizi bin Mustafa. We are from Group 2 and we would like to present question 2. Before I proceed with the theory of integration, I would like to introduce my group members first. My group members consist of 4 members, which is Kitishwara Analalaki Murali, Harini Ana Perempuan Murugan, Sneha Ana Perempuan Prabhakar Rao, and myself, Kashina Naya Ana Perempuan Balakrishnan Nair, and my registration number is 33 DCE 20F1026. First and foremost, I would like to start with the introduction of integration. Integration is the process of finding an antiderivative, or it can be also called as the reverse process of differentiation. So let's say y is equals to fx. If we differentiate, we'll get dy over dx equals to f prime x. So using these results, we are able to integrate. Therefore, we'll get back the same answer as before, which is y is equals to fx. Now, I would like to explain integration in more detail. So the most basic is the symbol of integration, which is we can call it as a big S. We read it as integrate of f prime x with respect to x. There are 2 types of integration. First is indefinite integral, and the second one is definite integral. Indefinite integral is where the limit is not determined, while definite integral is where limit is determined.
Good day everyone, my name is Kitishwara Analalaki Murali. My text number is 33 DCE 20F 1024. Let us see the first question of our presentation. Question A. Sketch a graph of curve formed when fx is equal to x cubed between x equals 1 and x equals to 3. So in this question, the x cubed is this. This is the fx function, is x cubed, and x equals to 1 is this, x equals to 1, and x equals to 3 is this line, straight line over the 3, and the coordinate for this is, so you guys can see, it is straight down to the 3, and here it is 27. Here this coordinate is 1 and 1.
Hello everybody, I'm Harini here. So now let's see how to work out on the area between the curve from 2A and the y-axis. First of all, we must find y value when x equals to 0, x equals to 1 and x equals to 3. To find the y value, we must substitute x value into the function of x, since the function of x is same as y value. So when you substitute the x value equals to 0 into the function of x, which is x cubed, you will get 0. When x equals to 1, and the y value will be 1. When x value is 3 and the y value will get 27. Then we must find function of y, since the question is regarding the area on y-axis. To find the function of y, we must make x as a constant value. When you make the x as a constant value, you will get x equals to y power of 1 over 3, which is same as function of y. The next step is you must sketch the graph based on the values we get, as you can see in the slide. Now, it can be shown that area shaded is equal to the integral of y power of 1 over 3 with respect y, and the limits between y equals to 1 going to y equals to 27. So when you integrate this thing, you will get in bracket y power of 4 over 3 over 4 over 3 close bracket, and the limits will be 27 over 1. So you must simplify this equation, so you will get 3y power of 1 over 3 over 4, and in close bracket the limits will be 27, 1. The next step is you must substitute the limits into the equation. So you will get 3 substitute 27 power of 4 over 3 over 4 minus with 3 substitute 1 power of 4 over 3 over 4. You will get 60.75 minus 0.75. The final answer for the area shaded is 60 unit per square. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Neha Anapupan Prabhakara Rao and my registration number is 33DC20F1032. Today I'm going to talk about my part, which is 2 SYED. First, we have to sketch a graph. This graph consists of two equations. The first equation is fx equals to x cubed and the second equation is fx equals to x squared. And the y values are 1 and 27. The second step is to find the area of region. To find the area of region, we have to minus area of x2 and area of x1. x2 derives from the second equation fx equals to x squared and x1 derived from the first equation, which is fx equals to x cubed. To find area, we have to use a formula which is integral a to b x dy. So for area of x2 minus area of x1, the equation will be integral 1 to 27 x2 dy minus integral 1 to 27 x1 dy. And the x2 will be square root y and x1 will be cube root y. And so it will be integral 1 to 27 y power of 1 over 2 dy minus integral 1 to 27 y power of 1 over 3 dy. In big bracket, y power of the power 1 over 2 must plus 1, so it will be 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 bracket 1 to 27 minus in bracket y, the power 1 over 3 must plus 1, so it will be 4 over 3 over 4 over 3 bracket 1 to 27. So if we solve it, it will be 2y power of 3 over 2 over 3 in bracket limits 1 to 27 minus in bracket 3y power of 4 over 3 over 4 in bracket 1 to 27. And the next step is we have to sub the y with 27 and 1. So it will be 2 in bracket 27 power of 3 over 2 over 3 minus 2 in bracket 1 power of 3 over 2 over 3 and minus with 3 in bracket 27 in power 4 over 3 over 4 minus 3 in bracket 1 power of 4 over 3 over 4. And if we solve it in bracket, we will get 93.53 minus 0.67 minus in bracket 60.75 minus 0.5 and we will get 92.86 minus 60 and the last answer will be 32.86 unit square. And the last thing to find is volume. To find volume, we have to use a formula which is pi integral a to b x squared dy. So it will be volume of x2 minus volume of x1 and the equation will be pi integral 1 to 27 in bracket square root y power square dy minus pi integral 1 to 27 in bracket cube root y power square dy and it will be, if we solve it, we will get pi integral 1 to 27 y dy minus pi integral 1 to 27 y power of 2 over 3 dy and it will be pi in bracket y and the power should be plus 1, so it will be 2 over 2 and then limits 1 to 27 minus pi in bracket y power 5 over 3. 5 over 3 because the power 2 over 3 must plus with 1, so it will be 5 over 3. So the equation will be y power of 5 over 3 over 5 over 3 in bracket limits 1 to 27 and if we solve it, we will get 3y power of 5 over 3 over 5 and at the end it will be pi. We have to sum the y with 27 and 1, so it will be pi in bracket 27 power 2 over 2 minus in bracket 1 power of 2 over 2 minus pi in bracket 3 in bracket 27 power 5 over 3 over 5 minus 3 in bracket 1 power 5 over 3 over 5. And the next step will be pi in bracket 364.5 minus 0.5 minus pi in bracket 145.8 minus 0.6, and we have to factorize the pi out, and it will be pi in bracket 364 minus 145.2. We will get 218.8 pi.